guys, it's Court here, and today we're talking dining rooms. I love dining rooms because I love to entertain, and it's important to break bread with friends and family and to have a space that everybody feels comfortable at. So how do we do that? First, the dining room table size. Take the entire length of the space and take 6 feet, that's 3 feet on either side off of that length, and then you will know what size table you can fit. I really love a round table. In fact, that's what I've chosen for my own house. I feel like there's no odd man out at a round table, and there's a reason we have round table discussions. And when you have teenagers and you can see them from every seat at the table, it sort of leaves them no room to escape the conversation. Solid wood tops. This is a tip from my personal experience. Solid wood tops are great if you need to refinish them. Why would you need to refinish them? Let's just say hypothetically your kid decides to carve a bad word into the table. Yeah, you can refinish it. Sand that baby down, stain it, and you've got a beautiful table. The chairs don't have to match the table. In fact, the chairs don't even have to match each other. It's perfectly acceptable to match the end chairs, maybe they're armchairs, and then do armless chairs on one side and a bench seat on the other. Remember, the table is what grounds the space. That and the chandelier. The chandelier should be placed directly over the table. Symmetry in this particular case is really important. The lower the chandelier, the more dramatic look. Typically speaking, the rule of thumb is 30 to 34 inches above the table is where the bottom of the chandelier should be. I personally like it a little bit lower. As long as you can see everybody at the table, I really believe that this beautiful chandelier should actually create a mood for the room. A pedestal table leaves more leg room for your family and guests. It's also coincidentally easier to clean under the table when you don't have to move around legs. Rectangular tables work best in rectangular rooms. Now you're gonna say, a lot of rooms are rectangular, Courtney. I'm aware of that, but what I'm talking about is if you have a really long rectangular room, you don't wanna put a round table in there. You wanna fill that space. Thank you so much to The Brick for partnering with me on these videos. We love bringing you little tips. If you wanna hear more, follow us here and here. Let us know what you wanna hear. We gotta hear from ya. I wanna thank The Brick for sponsoring these videos and to all of you for watching. And as a token of our appreciation, we would like to give you, just $10,000 shopping spree for the room of your choice. Whoa, is that correct? Is that correct? Holy, $10,000. Oh my gosh, and I will personally help you spend that. Like it's a deal. Shake on it. Here's how to enter. Follow at All Things Kortney Wilson and at Brick Warehouse on Instagram. Post a photo or video to your Instagram with the room you want to redecorate. Use the hashtag Kortney's in the house in your post. Tag both at All Things Kortney Wilson and at Brick Warehouse in your post, and make sure your profile is public to be entered. We gotta see it. Must be a resident of Canada to enter. Okay, go do it now.